In 2020, the US presidential election had a major impact on Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's price was hovering around $13,000 before the election, but after Joe Biden's victory, it jumped to over $15,000, and by the end of the year, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of nearly $29,000. Why did this happen? After Biden's win, there were expectations of larger stimulus packages, potential inflation, and a weaker US dollar. In times of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin is often seen as a hedge against inflation. Investors moved their money into Bitcoin as a store of value, driving the price higher. But it wasn't just Bitcoin. Altcoins followed its lead. After Bitcoin's post-election surge, altcoins like Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP saw significant gains. For example, Ethereum rose from about $380 before the election to over $700 by the end of December 2020. The impact wasn't limited to crypto. Traditional markets rallied as well, driven by investor optimism about economic recovery under the new administration. That confidence spilled over into the crypto space, pushing Bitcoin and altcoins even higher. So, as we saw in 2020, a US presidential election can greatly influence the cryptocurrency market. Keep an eye on major political events to understand how they might affect Bitcoin and altcoins in the future. Like and subscribe for more crypto insights.